emotionally unstable, sick.
So this dishwasher won't fill. It'll fill some of the time. See, it's a little calcified inside. I hear water, but it's very slow. Yeah, I can see the valve. I don't know how in the world I'd reach it. But right there it is. That's not good. There's not much more point in bothering to diagnose this further. It needs a water inlet valve. But I wonder what's the deal with these. Do they work? Is that any good? The light blue connector is the one that's on the water valve.
Why is there no rust in that?
Stainless steel and brass can't rust.
Oh. Fair enough.
They didn't think ahead like that when they did the electrical though. Standard steel lock nuts instead of
this heater blew up in there.
Oh yeah, there's no doubt about it. I'm curious to see how bad it is. I only had current on one of them, and one of them should have never been energized, so I expect one heater to be destroyed and the other one to just be rusty.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
There's not a stator in motors. Oh no. No stator in a motor.
Motorcycle's alternator.
Oh no, it didn't pump at all.
Oh no.
Alright.
I wonder if there's any towels around I can... That was unexpected. I can't stop it now.
Hey, Tails,
Here you go. Just, here, just use them all. A little bit more down there real quick and that'll be okay. Okay. Oh, look at there! Yeah!
Blow up.
Yeah. We're gonna get it down there.
Well, let's see. There we go. Oh no. Why? And they're riveted on. We can't even take the damn panel off. I'm gonna move the whole booster heater.
Bad. Maybe I can move it around just a bit. Get it out past this.
There it goes. Oh man, look at that. That's impressive.
It's time to move these.
Jeez.
I'm gonna say this is the heater that wasn't being used. And it's the one that had the terminal burn off. And that's what happens when your heater fails and you continue to use it.
Look at that.
Imagine what that must have been doing in there.
Well, there's an inside of a heater for you folks. There you go. That's what heats
A
up.
little side by side with the old and the new.
Look at that shit. It fucking blew up. Fucker wasn't playing around.
It just always blows my mind how bad they are when I get them out. That they're able to get this bad before they just quit doing anything. That's
crazy.
Catastrophic. It's just amazing that they failed this epically. Did that on its own. You can't make this stuff up. We're gonna have to do something with these connectors here because they're kind of broke, some of them. I gotta put new connectors on these grays, or on these browns here, and cap off the grays that are not used. Considering that 2 out of 6 of these nuts ended up destroyed, I'm just gonna put back the remaining 4 of them and not hook up the gray wires because they're not actually gonna be doing anything. Really? Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Easy as pie.
That doesn't get. Well, I got to take out that screw, loosen that little thing, and then pop the new valve down in the original mounting bracket.
Yeah. Oh no.
7 millimeters. No way. Garbage. What the heck? This was one of the first components installed.
You bastard.
Good luck doing this freaking combination of things by yourself. Alright, that's gotta be good, and then should just pull on it.
There she goes.
Sometimes you gotta just work with your eyes closed.
The proper positioning of the face in general.
Yeah, I was smiling right, even though my eyes were closed. There she be. I learned my lesson about this the hard way. You don't do this bare hands.
Just stick one through your hand.
Oh, I've sliced myself with these things.
Ugh.
Pull them out by hand. You don't grab these parts with your hand and manhandle them. Health before wealth.
Fuck that, dude. That's
Some people might even call that serious injury. It's the big fat poopy hands puppet show
really
on
is.
TN1.
I'm staying over, right? I'm just trying to. Okay. Alright. That sounds cool. That sounds good. Okay.
Done deal. That thing's all put back. Now with our fully custom third heater wires and our valve is put back. Yeah, just take my word for it, it's in there. So I gotta put my little folio back.
You gotta plug them in. Oh, you done did that.
That's way more water flow than I was getting before. It's way more. You'd barely hear it before at all. filling. So we'll just let this run for a while. This thing's full now. Good enough for HVAC. Gotta turn up the set point. So at this point, should be energizing the contactors down here. Contactors pull the proper minimum temperatures. Right here in this range is where it needs to be, so right there. I like the rinse water to be about 190 or so.
They just run a cycle that quick?
Yeah.
Holy shit.